Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 53. The following are barriers to international trade except A. Currency, B. Distance, C. Language, D. Religion, E. Tariffs. So we are looking at barriers to international trade, and from the options given to us we have to pick out the one which is not a barrier to international trade. Now option A, which is currency, can be seen as a barrier to international trade due to the unstable exchange rates. Now the exchange rates of currencies or foreign currencies are usually fluctuating, so they fluctuate virtually every minute, every single time. So this can be a barrier to international trade, as you may not exactly know the exact exchange rates for the trade you want to carry out. So for distance is definitely a barrier, as international trade sometimes involves trading between countries in different continents. So let's say you have one country in Africa carrying out international trade with another country in Europe. So the distance could be a barrier that could hamper the smooth trade from taking place. And then language, of course, is definitely a barrier to international trade. Now this is based on the fact that different countries or different groups of people in different countries may want to engage in trade may speak different language or different languages. So this means that there needs to be an interpreter involved, and sometimes there might be difficulty in exactly interpreting what is required to be interpreted. So language is a barrier to international trade. Now there's religion. Now, although religion can be seen as somewhat like a cultural factor, it isn't exactly a major barrier to international trade. This is because in international trade you hardly have anything to discuss about religion in international trade. So if all things should go smoothly, the business should just move and run smoothly without any hitch. Then for tariffs is definitely another barrier to international trade. So these are basically imposed taxes on goods and services either leaving or entering a country. So even after the trade has been completed, the tariff in terms of importation or exportation of the goods and services that has been bought or sold can serve as a barrier to smooth international trade. So we've picked out religion as the only one that cannot be exactly seen as a major barrier. So the correct answer is D, religion. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.